One of the things that I've learned over the years is communication is everything. And one of the problems scientists have is, in general, we're horrible at communicating things. But then I happened to talk with someone in Welsh National NHS. And they'd worked with University of South Wales Centre for Storytelling, and very successfully. And they told me about what the communication and what had been done and how they felt it really helped them in the project. So I contacted the centre and the faculty there and started talking about, here's my problem. I've got great science. I've got scientists and engineers who really believe in what they're doing, but I have to try and persuade the rest of the planet that this is the way to do this. But I also, if you've got a solution is no good if no one wants to adopt it. What if you make something that no one actually wants? So, for example, you think the biggest problem is climate change. As Harold Wilson said, the man on the street may think the biggest problem is employment, or energy cost, or food cost. Right. Well, if you can then turn around and say, look, what we're going to do is we're taking CO2 and we're turning into food for your children, or your animals, or your pets, or we're going to turn it into food that will be used to feed agriculture more efficiently and with lower emissions, that will make the cost of the meat that you buy lower. They'll understand that. But we need to know what it is they're concerned about. So, and all of that becomes a story. To me, it's all about not only our story out, but the story in, and us understanding how they relate to each other. With University of South Wales' centre, we've generated a lot of short information, YouTube-style videos, but those are exactly the things that will get that message across. And it's also in a format that will be used for many years to come.